Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021. It is Try It Tuesday. So something you might think about doing is doing something to show our appreciation for our crossing guard. You might write a little note or make a little card or just tell them thank you sometime for the great job that they do keeping all of our students safe. If you do decide to do a card or write a little note, you can send those down to the Collab Lab and we will make sure they get to our crossing guard. So that's our Try It Tuesday for today, spreading a little kindness. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today, we may be having yogurt for breakfast and for lunch, chili crispito. For tomorrow, not sure about breakfast, and lunch should be cheeseburger. Today's birthdays are Max Winstead and Dr. Seuss. So we are celebrating big today. A few announcements. Today we are celebrating Dr. Seuss's birthday and we are celebrating Read Across America Week. We are celebrating reading. Lots of great reading going on today. Teachers, make sure you see Nurse Eaton if you've had either of your COVID vaccinations to claim your goodie. If you would like another session in the lab to do ACAP practice, please let me know and I'll get you a time scheduled. I've already had a couple of teachers get something on the books for this week and I know that a couple others mentioned it, so please let me know. I would love to have you in here for a little bit more practice. Also, today is the 2nd of March, so Miss Arch has late duty and tomorrow is Miss Cunningham. Exciting news today. Starting at 8:30 a.m., we will have a live feed of Miss Linscomb being taped to the wall. How will she get down? You have to pass 300 tests to help her get down. We can't wait to see how fast you can help her. The homeroom in grades K through 2 and the homeroom in grades 3 through 5 that have the most tests taken during the time that she's on the wall will earn themselves a popcorn party. So, read, and get ready to party. And I will send out that link later this morning. So, some important dates coming up. This week is progress monitoring. Today is Dr. Seuss's birthday and Read Across America. Tomorrow, you have ACAP writing PD during your extended PE time. Next Monday, very important to be there, we have our ACAP faculty meeting. The 10th is grade level planning. The 15th through the 30th is our ACAP testing. March 17th, we have AMSTI PD. March 24th is PST. And March 26th already is the end of the third quarter. Our word of the day is divide. Divide. To divide means to separate into equal groups and find the number in each group or the number of groups. So when you divide a large amount into smaller sections, you get small groups. Okay? 15 divided by 3 equals 5. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd, and get to reading!